Hey guys, so this is an old video of me back in December. I'm driving for a new company, Via, and you might notice that I appear happier in this video, and that's because times were good, it was very busy, and I was being showered with bonuses by Via. So I was in a good mood, and nothing ever happened to me before in my tenure as a driver. This is my first ever bad experience that I ever had to kick someone out, ever.
Hi.
Hey.
Graham?
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're also picking someone else up right here.
Oh, okay. Look at you. You got a whole store of stuff there.
Yes, I do.
You sell it?
Yeah, a lot of things are for sale. There's free Hershey chocolates, though.
No, I don't want any. I was just curious. It's an interesting business.
Gotta give this person a quick call.
You're not filming, are you?
Uh,
The video.
I mean, I'm not saving it. I'll put it that way.
That's not cool, man. Like, you can't film
While
it.
we connect the rider.
Are you being serious right
Yeah.
now? Okay, well,
Just turn it off.
I'm not turning it off.
Why?
Look, if you don't want to ride with me, you don't have to, but I have legal reasons why I have that here.
Why? What's the legal reason?
Listen, if
I'm
I can
asking.
explain to you,
I'm
but you
asking.
can't be combative with me in my car, otherwise you're going to give me anxiety and I can't drive safe.
Hello?
Dude,
Hey, how are you?
I'm like right across the street right now. Sorry.
Hold on. Okay, thank you.
I wasn't combative at all. I asked you.
It feels
what's the
like you're
reasons?
being
I'm asking
combative.
you what's the reasons.
All right, look.
What's the reasons?
For tickets, car accidents, things like that. Rowdy passengers. How are you?
Good.
Todd. How are you doing, Todd?
Good. Sorry about that.
No worries. Would you rather another car, or do you want to?
No, just go ahead.
Okay.
I just think it's, especially if you don't, you should, if you're going to do that, you need to warn people you're filming them. It's not just not cool.
Okay, if you have an issue with it, hop out, please. Because you're making me feel very uncomfortable. Hop out. Get out, please. I can't drive with you in the car.
Okay, first cancel my trip.
No, get out now.
No,
I'm going to cancel, but get out
Yeah,
now.
but I need to get another car, so you
Okay,
really have
I
to
can't
my-
cancel. I have to call Via. Get
Cancel
out.
it. No, cancel it. I'm not
Get
getting out
out.
till you can, because I want to get another Via. I'm a longtime Via customer.
Okay, I'm happy for you.
So cancel.
I'm sorry we had a bad experience.
That's right, me
I'm going to
too.
call Via once you're out.
No,
I'm
cancel it
not.
now. Why can't you cancel it now?
You're slowing this guy down.
Why can't you cancel it now?
Because I got to call Via.
Call him.
And I'm getting anxiety with
Call
you in
him.
the car. I can't think right now.
Okay, just cancel.
Please hop out of my car.
Just cancel.
Hop out.
Just cancel.
I'm sorry, sir. This never happens.
Where you just cancel.
Get out. I can't cancel.
Why?
Get out
Why
of my
can't
car.
you cancel? Why can't you?
Now you're being recorded. Now it's going to be safe because I'm having an issue with you. I'm politely asking you to hop out. I'm going to cancel. Thank you. Close my door. Close my door.
Why aren't you going to cancel? You're gonna
I'm going to cancel. I'm not.
don't,
I don't get. Good. Good. Please do. Look, if they find I'm not behaving right, they'll fire me. Okay? Have a good night. Enjoy yourself. Sorry about that. Just gotta make sure it's canceled for this guy.
The sad thing is, I really didn't want to kick this guy out because it was crunch time for me, and I almost didn't take enough passengers to qualify for this week's bonus. But thank God I still made it. But it was tough, and I had to spend an extra hour out working late. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. By the way, my car was broken into, and I was robbed. See you guys later.